Hello, I'm Seamus from the Crafts Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Polygon file that you can use to show the boundaries or area of your planting project. First off, navigate to GeoJson.io. Then collapse the code panel. We don't need to see it, and it only gives us less space to work with. Now, hit the search bar to find the location of your site. I'm going to enter Zurich to select an area near the lab for demonstration. So we go to Zurich. Now I want to zoom out a little. I'm going to hit the zoom out function, but here. Now I can start drawing my polygon. I go down to the Draw a Polygon tool, marked here with a pentagon. I click to start drawing, and then click to select more points. If I want to start using a natural boundary to trace my polygon with, I navigate down here and select satellite. Now I can continue tracing along the natural boundary. And when I want to finish my polygon, I click the original point again. If I then want to edit the polygon I've drawn, I go down to the Edit Layers button here. I can move points around and add new points. And then I can click Save. If I then want to share this polygon, I go over to the Save option here, navigate down to Shapefile, and it will download. Now, if you're sending your polygons to us, we'd ask that you name them in the format organization name, project name. So just right-click the file and click Rename to do that. This is going to be project name 2. If you want to send us multiple projects files at once, select both of them, right-click, Send to, press Zip folder. Name the resulting folder after your organization, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching our demo video. Hope this was helpful.